Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing fine. So if you are new to my channel Blagil, then go on subscribe it, support my channel for new and updated videos, and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification for of my new video. So in this video I will show you how you can delete your Facebook page permanently on your mobile phone, and the method is almost similar on desktop as well. So all you need to do is to go to your ID and click on here three lines and scroll down and click on pages, and here is my page Blagil Gaming. It's my permanent page, you can like it. I'm not gonna delete this one, and the page I'm going to delete is the second one, Blagil Movies. Okay, so guys, I will show you how you can delete this page. Okay, all you need to do is to go to this portion, three dotted more portion, and click on it, and here you will find the option of settings. Go to settings, and here click on general. Okay, scroll down. Okay, here's the option to remove the page. Okay, click on permanently delete Blagil Movies. So okay, click on it. Okay, here's the option to delete page. Delete it. Okay, your page has been deleted. So it's very easy. So if you like, okay, if this was useful, then you can go on and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for new and updated videos. Till next video, goodbye, and take care of yourself.